Welcome to the Design and Content Tools series. In this video, we'll explore the best stock photo and image libraries for your creative projects. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or entrepreneur, finding the right source for royalty-free images can save you time and money. Let's discover the top platforms that can elevate your visual content. Stock photos are pre-photographed images that are licensed for use in your creative projects, designs, and commercial work. These are professional photographs taken by photographers and made available for purchase or free use. Stock photos come with legal permission included, so you can confidently use them in your projects. They're commercial ready, meaning you can use them in your business without worrying about copyright issues. Most importantly, they're affordable or completely free. You get access to high-quality, professional images without needing to hire a photographer. This makes them an essential resource for anyone creating visual content. Understanding licenses is crucial when using stock images. There are 4 main types. First, royalty-free licenses. You pay once and can use the image unlimited times without additional fees. This is perfect for most projects. Second, rights-managed licenses. You pay per use based on specific rights and duration. This is common for editorial and high-end commercial work. Third, Creative Commons licenses. These images are free but require attribution or have specific conditions. Always check the requirements. Fourth, public domain images. These have no copyright restrictions and are completely free to use. No attribution needed. Choose the license type that matches your project needs and budget. Unsplash is a fantastic free resource with over 2 million high-quality photos curated by a global community. Perfect for designers and content creators. The price is completely free. The license is Unsplash license, which allows commercial use. You don't need to ask permission or provide attribution, though it's appreciated. With over 2 million photos in their collection, you'll find diverse and professional images for virtually any project. Unsplash is best for general design and content needs. Whether you're creating social media graphics, blog posts, or website visuals, Unsplash has you covered. The quality is consistently high, and the community constantly adds new images. Pexels is another excellent free option with a curated collection of free stock photos and videos. The platform is known for its focus on diversity and quality. The price is completely free. The license is Pexels license, and no attribution is needed. What makes Pexels special is that it goes beyond just photos. They also include free stock videos in their collection. This means you can find both images and video clips for your projects all in one place. Pexels is best for multimedia projects where you need both photos and videos. The curation is excellent, ensuring you get professional quality content. It's ideal for content creators who want variety in their media assets. Pixabay offers an extensive collection of free images, videos, and music. It's known for its diverse content categories and strong community of creators. The price is completely free. The license is Pixabay license, which allows commercial use. What sets Pixabay apart is that it goes even further than Pexels. In addition to photos and videos, Pixabay also includes free stock music. This makes it a comprehensive multimedia resource. You can find background music for your videos, soundtracks for presentations, and audio elements for your projects. Pixabay is best for multimedia content projects where you need photos, videos, and music together. The community aspect means quality content is constantly being added. Shutterstock is a premium stock photo platform with subscription-based access. Unlike the free options, Shutterstock offers a curated collection of millions of images. The pricing is subscription-based, with various plans available. The license is royalty-free with your subscription. Shutterstock has over 400 million assets available, including photos, vectors, and videos. The quality is premium and professional. This platform is designed for teams and agencies that need consistent access to high-quality content. With a subscription, you get monthly download limits that reset each month. Shutterstock is best for professional teams and agencies. If you're creating content regularly and need a reliable source, Shutterstock's subscription model ensures you always have access to fresh, professional images. Adobe Stock is integrated directly with the Creative Cloud Suite, making it perfect for Adobe users. The pricing is subscription or pay-per asset, depending on your needs. The license is royalty-free with your subscription. What makes Adobe Stock special is its seamless integration. If you use Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other Adobe Creative Cloud application, you can access Adobe Stock directly within the software. This streamlines your workflow significantly. You don't need to go to a website, download an image, and then import it. You can search and license images without leaving your creative application. Adobe Stock is best for Adobe Creative Cloud users. If you're already invested in the Creative Cloud ecosystem, Adobe Stock offers unmatched convenience and integration. Getty Images is an industry leader in premium stock photography with a premium pricing model. The license includes both rights-managed and royalty-free options. Getty Images is known for exclusive editorial content. This means you can find unique, newsworthy, and editorial photographs that you won't find elsewhere. The quality is consistently premium and professional. They have comprehensive licensing options for different project needs. Whether you need a one-time license for a specific use or broader commercial rights, Getty Images can accommodate. The collection includes millions of carefully curated images. Getty Images is best for enterprise and editorial projects. If you need premium quality, exclusive content, and comprehensive licensing options, Getty Images is worth the investment. Let's compare all 6 platforms to help you choose the right one. Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay are all free. They're ideal if you're starting out or have a limited budget. Unsplash focuses on general design needs. Pexels adds video content. Pixabay includes music as well. Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are subscription-based. Shutterstock works with any creative software. Adobe Stock integrates directly into Creative Cloud apps. Both are great for professionals who need regular access to content. Getty Images is premium pricing. It offers the most exclusive and high-quality editorial content. Choose based on your budget, project type, and workflow preferences. Most professionals use multiple platforms to access diverse imagery. Here are 4 key takeaways from this video. First, choose based on your budget. Free platforms like Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay work great for most projects. Premium options like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are worth the investment if you need specialized content or regular access. Second, understand licensing carefully. Always verify commercial use rights and attribution requirements before using images. This protects you legally and ensures you're using images properly. Third, diversify your sources. Use multiple platforms to find unique imagery and avoid repetitive content. Your designs will stand out more when you draw from different sources. Fourth, test and compare platforms. Experiment with different sites to find which ones match your workflow and aesthetic preferences. What works best depends on your specific needs. Now you're ready to find amazing stock photos for your projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.